How to share iCloud stories with family. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can share iCloud stories with family. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head over to settings. Once on settings, you want to tap on your profile at the top, and here you should be able to see the option that says family sharing. You can see here, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on family sharing here, you should be able to see the option that says share subscriptions, share purchases, set up parental controls. Tap on continue and go through the prompts here to set it up. So you can invite them from here, and once you invite it, you can tap on done, and now you'll be set up, right? Once you're set up now, what you want to do is you want to head into the subscriptions option, and you want to make it load up, and you can see their share with family enabled. So you want to enable the share with family option. This way you can share iCloud stories with family. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.